mine. They're not a toy, they're mine. They're literally mine, them. They belong to me. No, no. No, hey! No. No, they're mine. Hey! What are you doing? No. No. No, ow! Hey! Hey! No, I'm not fighting you over them, they're mine. They're not to fight over. They're actually my toes. It's not something you can... Here, step up. It's not something we're fighting over, sweetie. They're just mine. That's mine as well. Ow! Hey! They're mine. No, no. Here, come here. Step up. Good girl. That's better up there, isn't it? Are you going on my arm? You alright now? Eh?